tip to anybody mounting wheels and tires on these, you know, with a nice finish like this. Take one of these adapters from the balancer, put it in the opening here, and then just get rid of this cone piece here. It slides right off. One other trick we do, we always put the TPMS sensor in after we mount the tires, because these stiff sidewalls sometimes will break the sensor right off when you mount it.